Wow! Oh, what is it doing? Got it here, new Eggo Maker. Check this out. Just drop an egg in there. Boom. And this egg is gonna go in here. There you go. Then it comes with this silicone things. You're just gonna put it through and put it all the way down. You know what? I put too much egg in here. So some of the top of the egg might not be cooked all the way. I think this indicates that our egg is done. Well, it's kind of mushy still. Oh, you know what? It kind of goes on and off. There you go. Now it's moving. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, what is it doing? That's some unique noises up there. So yeah, I ended up adding on some milk to it. This is why it looks like this. Oh my gosh, it keep on going. Now this one is warming up. So that's how you know when it's done. Finally. It actually, to be honest, got me a couple of fails, but now I figured it out how to cook it. Will it raise some more? Oh my gosh, it's still not done yet. It's still going up. How much egg did I put? Oh my gosh. I mean, this gotta be done. I'm just gonna turn it off and kind of lean it sideways and pull it out. Oh. Anyways, one kind of worked, one didn't. You can put hot dog in there too. What do you guys think? There you go, egg roll. This is probably the best mashed potato rice. So it has these gears. My potato a little bit fall apart. And it has a really nice leverage because of that. Look at that. Wow. So if you have nicely cooked potatoes, it's going to rise it really well. You see, there's a potato. Put it in and squish it. It's just so satisfying. Check this out. Boom. Okay, we're gonna go to a bigger potatoes and bigger. At the end, we're gonna do a huge one. So as you can see, this is actually a very useful gadget. And I have one. So, as I make mashed potatoes, super easy without mashing them. This is kind of like rice potatoes. But same thing, right? Look at that, even a big potato, it rises in it really well. Look how much potatoes we have made. Out of 4 potatoes, we have a whole bowl of mashed potatoes. Got it here, another ice maker, easy demolting. Filled it up with water, now let's see how it works. So all I have to do is just pull on this. Maybe let's open that so the air can come in. Okay. Oh wow, that's really stone. It's supposed to pop out. Pretty easy, I think. There you go. One section pulled up. Now second section. Try to put it all the way out. Just frozen in. Now if you want some ice, let's see. There you go, and there's the pieces of ice. There you go, now it's coming out. So we got some ice, it definitely works, but they said easy. Honestly, I broke a sweat over here. It's not so easy. There's a mess-free potato peeler. So you hold it like this and just go. I mean, it does the job very sharp, and because you hold it in your hand, you don't have to worry about missing the trash can. It just stays in your hand and the plastic thing. So yeah. A bit uncomfortable because it's not really a handle. So, but it does the job, and look, it holds all of this stuff in, all the peels. That's pretty cool. So let's open a couple of cans. We'll have to open it all the way around. This side here, why I don't like can openers that is cut through the can. This side here is super sharp. But anyways, this is the gadget we are talking about right now. Plug it in and let's see if it's going to stay plugged. Make sure you do it all the way. And just pour it out. Wow, that's amazing. Look, I'm trying to knock it off and it just doesn't come off. Wow, it sits in there really well. Beautiful. So let's open another one. Again, this is just a can opener that cuts through the can. You see, it's not even that easy. And makes a little bit of mess right here. There you go. And also it sinks the lid. You see, once you cut through it all the way, and again, very sharp. Have cut myself plenty of times. So again, just make sure you line it up correctly and just plug it in. It's actually very easy. And again, you need to stain it. Look how well it works. Obviously, over the sinker would be less mess. Beautiful. Very good gadget, and it will work with the different type of cans. They advertise. You see tuna cans and smaller average ones and the big ones. Pretty cool. And the last one I got right here. Food savers trays. Looks like there's a date and month. Cool. It goes up and down. So you open this and all it is just this little plastic thing. And you'll be able to kind of put through your hand in and it's not going to break because it's pretty durable. Look at that. I can really stretch it out and it's going back in. Look at that, very durable. It did stretch out a little bit. Will it go back in? Yeah, it's going back in. I want to save a sandwich in there. It would be something kind of small like this. Push it and close it on that side. That is pretty unique. What do you guys think? It's still not vacuum sealed, but it is quick shrink wrap in a sense. It is reusable too. This is definitely very unique and strange food savers.